I'm just showing that I'm at the same location as I was before, but I am literally on my tripod right here. That's where the water is. Now, to be clear, the island is not visible today. Now look at the difference. That boat's not even, maybe 2 miles out, and it already appears to be going over the horizon. Now remember, I just filmed Catalina Island a week ago from this same height and was able to see it. So someone needs to explain to me why I'm not able to see that boat right now that's maybe 2 miles out there compared to that island that's freaking 28. Think about that for a minute. See what's out there. Whatever that, there's, I believe, 3 boats out there. That second one I cannot see with, or I think it's the third one to the right. I cannot see that one with my naked eye at all. Ah, motherfucker. That's how close I am to the water. I'm getting wet. Damn it, my whole foot went in the water. Excuse the language, guys, sorry. Again, this isn't really proof of anything. It's just an observation of what I'm seeing and the different conditions due to each day, you know. Again, there's obviously something going on over there. The waves do have a factor on the bottom being visible, but there's also something else going on. Clearly, there's a miraging something. Again, you need to think about something. I'm filming from the same location that I film an island that's 28 miles away that I can't even see today. Some people tell me that's because of the curvature of the earth. Now freaking think about that for a second, people. You mean to tell me that on some days a mirage is so great that it makes an island appear freaking, just say 500 feet above horizon that it should be? I mean, come on. You can see that entire island on majority of the days. Unfortunately, this beginning of this summer has sucked ass, but again, that boat right there, or whatever that is, I can't see that with the naked eye. And I believe that's the buoy that it's at right there, and that's 3 miles away. That flag to the left of it, that's the buoy. Well, think about that. It's just barely 3 miles away. Sorry I keep pushing that, but I mean, I think it's pretty freaking important considering an island still appears perpendicular to you that's 28 miles away. That boat's 3 and you can't see the bottom. Think about it. And I don't claim to know anything more than anybody else. I'm just simply out here trying to figure this out just as much as anybody else is. I personally believe the earth is flat from what I see every day. The words that people use have meaning, people. Horizon, horizontal. Take a look at what you look at if you live by the ocean. And if you honestly believe you live on a sphere, God help you. Go right in the ocean. Don't go in the bathroom, don't go downstairs, don't go in the galley, trash can, anywhere on the boat. Go right in the ocean. Try to keep the bathroom clean as possible for everybody. Look at that. 19 said, get up, butt out here, go a little slow. Let Alex get out and look at trying to get him inside here. Almost half the ship appears to be hidden, but yet it's still perpendicular with you. Now, shouldn't it be on a freaking tilt? I mean, I know it'd be slight, but come on, man. Let's get real here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move here in a minute because the tide's coming up. That's the first buoy right there. The second one out there is about 3 miles. I can't wait till another ship passes like that on a clear day so I can show you the difference in the different atmospheric conditions or whatever the hell you want to call it. Now remember something, it curves away from my point at equal distances from every point from where I'm at, 8 inches per mile, if we live on a ball. Now look at that ship and freaking think about that. Actually use your brain and think. Forget what you've been told. Just think. Use your brain and try to come to the conclusion of what's going on. Because I can guarantee you it is not going over the curve of a ball. It's just, I mean, it's absurd. uploads further out, but appears to be higher up on the water. How's that? Alright guys, my feet are soaking wet, so again I just wanted to show you my height and where I'm at. I'm gonna actually walk up to where. Now you gotta keep in mind something. The first day that I filmed that, the tide was maybe 2 feet below. I'll show you right now. Oh, I'm gonna drop my shit. Okay, that's where I was standing the very first day. The tide was literally right there to the bottom of that thing. The very first day that I filmed it, I believe. I could be wrong. Now, this is normally where I stand. Okay. Sorry about the shakiness, guys. Just wanted to show you a little bit of a difference. You see the tip of that eye? See, look, island not visible at all. Now remember, I could still see that boat when I was 2 feet off the water. I mean, yeah, now my angle's changed, but I'm literally 15 feet further back and maybe 10 feet higher.
Where the second red line is, that's this boat. It's slightly farther.
That's so weird because I could actually see more of that boat down there than I can up here. Alright, guys. Almost there. Waves are a magical thing, my friend. Waves.
So I found this image. It says $20 personal use. I might buy it because I might be making. Well, I'm going to make a video about this, but I might be using this image in the video. It's actually this exact same phenomenon on a boat that goes out to the water. So what you see here is I'd like to start actually with the bottom.
Think about that. About right there. Might be a little bit farther than that other boat that I can barely see. Why is that? Because of the curvature of the earth? Alright, that's it, guys. Done. Thank you for taking a look at my observations and listening to my raunchy voice.